Hi, I'm Kade.
And I'm Bobby.
And welcome to the Newstead Group's Explainer series.
Right, Kade, I know for a fact that you know this one.
Okay.
What is a mortgage broker?
Oh, mate. Mortgage brokers are essentially a third-party distributor for banks. So we're not obligated to provide a loan through a specific bank. We are obligated, though, to arrange a loan that's in our client's best interest to meet your requirements.
Okay, so the idea is that we're accredited with a number of different lenders.
Yeah.
And we can...
You know this, Bobby.
I do. And so we can assess your unique financial position across our panel of lenders that we're accredited with to find options that would be beneficial specifically to your unique financial position.
Exactly. Yeah.
And how much does it cost to liaise with a mortgage broker at the Newstead Group?
Yeah, for us, nothing. Other brokers do sometimes charge a fee. But essentially for us, our goal is to put you into a better financial position than when you first came through to us. And the way that we find that is very easy to do that is to not charge you a fee.
Of course.
Yeah. But we do work under a traditional broking model, which means that essentially we get remunerated by the banks. So if we lodge a loan with the bank and you settle on that loan, and let's say it loans for $500,000, your mortgage broker may be remunerated for somewhere around the $3,000 mark for lodging that loan and settling through the bank. And then we also get paid a secondary commission for every month that you have that loan open, with which is not fully offset.
Okay.
Yeah, which is a smaller amount, but essentially our goal is to protect you by making sure that your rate remains competitive, your bank remains competitive, and you want to continue working with us because it's a relationship-based business.
It is a long-term... It's a long-term thing, isn't it?
It
a
is.
home loan. So having someone in your corner that you can get along with and speak with candidly, which you don't always get that with a bank directly.
It's hard to do because there's a lot of bankers out there, and I don't know, like they change a lot.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We've been around for a while.
Fantastic. So essentially, you don't pay more to use a mortgage broker. It just means the bank gets paid less.
In a roundabout way. Yeah, I think that if the bank didn't have that client in the first place, then they'd be getting paid much less.
Yes.
But yeah, essentially we arrange for the finance. We do a lot of the bank's heavy lifting, and we also guide you through to a bank that's suitable to you, in which case the bank that you go through might not have got your business in past.
Okay.
Say, for example, if you went through your existing bank and you set up a loan, that might be more costly than going through the bank that we would have recommended. And we're happy to navigate you there.
We'll discuss this in our other topic for post-settlement, but post-settlement, there's a lot of value added where we'll continue to reprice your loan, monitor your rates, and ensure you remain on a competitive structure.
Yeah, and as I mentioned before, with that, the longer you remain with your loan through us as a broker, we are remunerated on that as well. So not just do we have a legal best interest duty to recommend a loan that's suitable to your requirements, we also have an ethical and also just a business benefit to ensuring that you're competitive post-settlement. Because the last thing we want to do is introduce you to a bank and then you move somewhere else. It's just not going to work. It's not favorable. And our whole relationship is just kind of based on just transactions. And we don't want to do that. We want to make sure that you're taken care of at all times.
These are all good things.
Yeah. It's hard to fault it.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.